Okay, how does JavaScript work? So uh, JavaScript is an interpreter, I mean just-in-time compiler programming language. Compiler language in the browser. JavaScript is run on the client side. I mean the on the machine client machine. Okay, client patient. But on the important thing is remember the client browser on need to be supported. And nowadays the modern JavaScript was supported their own Java engine. Like Google Chrome was going to use the JavaScript engine V8. So it's actually a runtime process. What the second question, what are the difference between the double equal and triple equal? So double equal actually used for compare the two variables, but in here ignoring the data type is like the one is string value is 10, the another is string is a number below 10. If they are equal, then it's true. Okay, for using double equal, it's actually true, returns true, but in here the data type is totally different. But if I use the triple triple equal, then it's actually compare the two variable. Okay, but it's must with the data type. Like 10 is a number type and I use triple equal, then string 10. In here one is the type is 10, type is integer. In other words, another is number, is string. So in here so it's written false, The third questions, difference between the undefined and null. Okay, so so in JavaScript, undefined means that the variable has not been declared yet, or I am not or not given any type of value. It means it's undefined. But null means is a special object. I means that it means that type of null is a object. So it's actually returns nothing. Is null. Okay. Then fourth question is, what is DOM? DOM. Basically, DOMs mean document object model. It's allowed to create, change and remove elements from the document using programming interface. Actually, it has lots of event handling functions. Like event handling functions actually make a website more interactive and dynamic, and more attractive. So it's actually DOM. Is JavaScript statistic types or dynamic types? Yes, JavaScript is a dynamic type language. We are declaring variable, function, object, but without any defining its type. So it's a type. Its JavaScript type is dynamic type. So that's all about my 5 questions. Thank you.